Kung nagpapamiting ka sa kumpanya mo, alam mo bang nawawalan ka ng halos kalahating milyon? Check this out, no? There was a study, no? Kung saan the average employee spends 31 hours per month in what? Unproductive meetings. No? This translates to a staggering 372 hours per year, nearly what? 2 months of work time. 2 buwan na work time. So ang tanong, paano ba magpa-meeting na you don't waste time? The pinaka-best talaga is what? Preparation. No? What happens before the meeting? Marami kasi nagpapa-meeting na parang tinawag lang mga empleyado tapos sinabihan, okay, sige, meeting tayo. So, may problema tayo, etong yun. And then, kahit ano lang pag-usapan nila, no? I would say unproductive meeting yun. It's because everyone's not prepared. Ako, I never do meetings up until everyone is prepared. What do you mean by prepared? Everyone has a document to prepare. And that document is already distributed before the meeting. Alam mo, once everyone is nakalista na yung sasabihin nila, like talagang bawat tao pati ako, is you're gonna save time. Yung 2 oras na meeting mo, pwede palang 1 oras. Yung 1 oras na meeting mo, pwede pala 30 minutes. Do this and you're gonna see what's gonna happen and change in your business.